Hey y'all, how's it going? I just want to make a quick short video on something interesting I did tonight. So, here is an old motor mount that broke and we needed to machine a new guy. So, first thing we thought to do was go to our nice Haas mill here and cut one out, no big deal, whatever. But what happens when you have a little bit of an oopsie, and that's the last piece of 1-inch aluminum bar stock you have in the shop. It's Thursday night about 9 o'clock, and we're all out of 1-inch bar stock. Nowhere in town carries it, so the earliest we could possibly get it's Monday through the internet. So what do we do instead? We have a whole bunch of 1/2-inch aluminum bar stock in the shop here. So I devised up a little plan. So I cut 2 of these guys out on our Omax water jet back here. So my plan is, got 2 of them cut out real nice. Just gonna put a bolt pattern in them there, bolt them together, and then once they're bolted together, we can toss it in the mill, spot our holes in the bottom and top, and be good to go. And this beast can have a drivetrain put back in it tonight/tomorrow, because it has to go to a show this weekend. So I just thought this would be an interesting little tidbit of how we're able to manage and overcome some obstacles that whenever you're in a race shop and kind of scratching your head out ideas what to do, how to make the best out of a bad situation. On our part here, it was turning out real nice and all, but we're using a scrap piece of stock, and this was all we had. And this was actually supposed to be flipped the other way, cutting out. And we would have had enough room over here, because you can see on this side where it cuts out this part, but this part was already missing from the stock. So we kind of had a little bit of oopsie with cam there. And we'd already cut out too much before we realized what was going on. And just for reference, again, this here's the stock piece. It sits up like this. Our engine, this here's the rear tab, or the rear engine mount. Shit. Sorry. This is the rear engine mount here. Engine sits on the front of it. Then down here connects to 2 tabs on the chassis. Pretty cool piece we did get made that kind of ate up some of our stock. Back here is our front engine mount. We already have bolted up to the engine. This guy here we cut out on the mill, slotted out holes. You can see if we put the engine up here, it's slotted out on the bottom to reduce weight. But kind of the reason everything looks so skimpy is this guy here is powered by 10 horsepower, and basically weight's the name of the game. So the less weight you have, the faster it can go. Yeah, if y'all would like to see any more videos on these Baja cars we build here, I'd be glad to film some. Just let me know. Otherwise, that'll wrap up this video. I just kind of like to show a little bit of how we overcome adversity in the shop here. So this guy here, without a doubt, is a lifesaver. It saved us in a pinch numerous times. We're still getting the hang of the Haas down there, so it's coming along though. But thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and I've got all kinds of cool stuff in the shop here if you want to keep watching. So see y'all later.